Ni hao, I'm Michelle De Leon. I'm 35 years old, and I was born on September 19, 1988. I'm from Tarlac City. I'm single, but I have an adopted child. I've been working in Saudi Arabia for 2 years as a domestic helper. My duty and responsibilities is to taking care of 4 children. I cook for them, I feed them, taking shower and play with them. Sometimes I will help the co-worker to clean the house. And I've been working in Taiwan as a factory worker for 6 years. My factory in Taiwan is Menchuan. My responsibility and duties is to paisa, shampoo. I'm flexible, hardworking, and willing to learn. I love Taiwan. 谢谢你。